warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diriani. Today I will review a film entitled Damsel. In fairy tales, usually the princess is rescued by the prince, then live happily ever after, but not this film. The film begins with the happiness felt by Elodie and her family. They boarded the ship together to the kingdom. This is now that previously the receiving a proposal from Queen Isabel of Aurea to marry the crown prince, namely Prince Henry. At her father's urging, Elodie agreed to the marriage to help their poor people, and she and her family sailed to Aurea. After meeting, Elodie and Henry initially seemed disinterested in each other, but begin to bond when they share a desire to travel. They go through various moments to approach, including horse riding, chatting, and leaving the palace to enjoy the view. It cannot be denied that both of them are equally interested. Elodie and her family received a warm welcome by the palace. At the time, Elodie lived with her father, stepmother, and her sister Floria. Time is getting closer to the wedding day. However, right before the procession, stepmother gave him unfavorable signal in the form of warning about her feeling of suspicion toward the royal family. He said that they are not good. Of course, Elodie was confused about how to respond. Meanwhile, she still a handful of hope about the future and beautiful life with the prince in magnificent palace. Elodie was dressed up in luxurious clothes, makeup, and did forget her crown as a future princess. After the wedding ceremony took place, Elodie family immediately left them and refounded home. Meanwhile, at the palace, there were still further ceremonies. Elodie and Prince Henry are always side by side. Their palms were sealed with a knife and an official sign, and Elodie has become royalty, and their marriage was official. This time, it's time for the prince to carry Elodie to an unknown place. Elodie imagined that they would be alone together like a newly married couple. The prince also asked to close his eyes. Little did Elodie know that in front of her was a step dark and very big ravine. Just when Prince Henry asked Elodie to let go of his arm, he immediately threw Elodie's body into the abyss. Elodie screamed hysterical in fear. He still did realize what happened. His body rubbed against the shrubs, cedar, and rocks. Luckily, Elodie was still conscious when she landed at the bottom of the ravine. It is known that in the abyss there is a gorgeous dragon. He swallowed sacrifice of victim of royal blood. After investigating, it turned out that this started when members of the kingdom killed the 3 dragon children. In exchange, the kingdom had to provide sacrifice in the form of their descendant nobles who had to be thrown into the abyss and finished off by dragon. Elodie hid as best she could and avoided the burst of fire that come out of the dragon mouth. He also managed to reach the point where victims were their names. In cloud, a plan showing safe point. Other Elodie's father is looking for his daughter who was fatally sacrificed for a royal ritual. Together with their of his men, he tried to find Elodie's whereabouts. Finally, Elodie managed to find a way out in the form of a small hole in the fight which she climbed using a rope and crown as support. Unfortunately, in this hole there is no road that can be crossed if the dares to jump. If he dares to jump, he could lose his life. Knowing that Elodie had managed to escape the kingdom was a panic and urged Elodie's sister Floria to be the next sacrifice. The mother immediately told Elodie. Elodie decides to return to the ravine to save Floria. With brave courage and trying to be calm, Elodie negotiated with the dragon and told him what really happened. He informed that the sacrifice given by the kingdom were not genuine nobles, but a daughter-in-law who was deliberately married off a sacrifice. Knowing this, the dragon cooperated and come out of illness. He attacked the kingdom, including Queen Isabel and Prince Henry.
So guys, what do you think about this film? I think it's very good, actually with the very good for CGI, and maybe I watching again this film themselves. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.